Welcome back. Another short Irish joke. Do you know the story of the Irishman and parrot? I will tell you. The Irishman parrot. Paddy has a talking parrot, but the parrot swears like a sailor. Paddy tries to control it, but gets tired of its foul language. Finally, in a moment of desperation, he decides to do something and says, "If you swear one more time, I'll throw you in the freezer." The parrot swears again, and true to his word, Paddy tosses the bird into the freezer. After a few minutes of silence, Paddy opens the door. We don't know exactly what happened, but you can imagine. Thank you so much for watching.